My project explores the synthetic and sentient nature in a smart city. According to philosopher Benjamin Bratton, a city is smart in its sentient nature that is able to sense the environment and make its own reactions. In this scenario, we are seeing a future of a smart city where the boundary between nature and the machine becomes blurred. Synthetic nature is a kinetic and interactive green wall that could be placed at any corner of a smart city and create intuitive and automatic reactions to its environment.